Let's first we will do the coding, then we just work on the image mapping. First, we just give the head tag you know very well, and just use the close the head tag and use title, and this is image mapping program with rectangle and polygon. Clear? And you just do the same thing. Close the title here. And after that, you do the same thing for the heading one. That will show on your web page. Use the H1 tag and use the center tag. You know very well for the center alignment and paste it. And again, close the center tag. Right, and close the H1 tag. H1 tag. Just here. And after that, we start the body and we just start with the image. So you can type here body.
Yes, sir.
Go with the body. And firstly, decide the image. So just take the image here, like this IMGSRC, and this type one dot or two dot GIF. First is decide the image. Okay. And this type here height and width. Height will be 500 and width as well 500. And it was this. Right. And just save this program and let's try to find out the result of this program. So just share the screen with that. This web page, I think we have to open the web page. Just wait a minute. And just check here, polygon estimate, polygon estimate. And now is it visible here, web page?
No, sir.
F5, the serial.
Yes, sir, it's now visible. Yes, sir, it's now.
Bird is coming here. You want to just align this bird at the center. You need to use here align center attribute. Just go with that and just type align center. And let's try. You know very well. Just go with the coding. And now is it visible here?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Which screen?
The coding screen, sir.
Okay. So you can just use the align tag here. Just see the coding screen, just delete this center from here, and you need to just use the center tag here like this. And close this center tag below that. And then this image comes at the center. Just save this.
Okay, sir.
With the coding. Just move on the screen, web page, and press F5. We'll get it at the center, right? You can just
Yes, sir.
weight here, we'll change the weight there, just type 600 and just save that. And then just check here the output. This is the screen, and this is the like this, right? And we just go with the coding. So just move on the coding. Coding is it coding visible?
No, sir.
Now is it visible? Just go
Yes, sir, it's now visible.
After that, we just use here the mapping. So just move on the top of body and just try to make the map. Just type here map. You know very well. We have to type with the map name. So just type in name first, map, and close this. And we have to decide the area for that. So we use here closing tag of map, and we use in this tag area. You know very well area. But here we have the shape will be different. Here we use the shape that is a rect. Rect stands for rectangle, and just type the chords. and we just type the chords, we have to decide the 2 point in the form of diagonals, right? So you have to just type the
Yes, sir.
diagonal, which press is equal to, and type the 2 point. First, left top corner, and second point will be right bottom corner. Understood? So here we just
Okay, sir.
use that if a image start from the top corner, here we have the x and y is 0, right? And at this corner, the maximum value coming of the x and y is 0. Okay, so we just type here 50, or just type here 0, you just type 100, 100, comma 100, and again we just get the second point x and y axis, just type here I think just type 250, comma 250, right? And just save this and just link the value, that is href, and just type here 2.gif image, right? And close that, and
Yes,
let's
sir.
try to find out that the output. Just save this coding and just move on the output. Just click on here and click on F5 and just see hand is visible or not.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, just go with the map. If it's not appearing here, chords, we have to use your chords, right? Is right. Shape rect, you know very well. Image 2 dot. And we have to use this map on our image. So we have to call this image name on our image mapping here, right? So we have to type here
Yes, sir.
use map. This is a tag. Just type it. It is an attribute of the image, and use equal to and use double encode and type the name of image mapping with the hash. That is first. I think yeah. Here is S missing. So just type it first map. Right, and close that, and then you can observe the effect of this output. Okay, just see there, this is the coding. We just calling here the this name here with the help of hash. So we use hash to call the particular name from the map to the image, right? And just check the output of that image. Just click on F5. Just see there, here is a structure coming with that. When you click on this area, you will get the image like this. So here there is no 2.html available. So just click here. It will link with the particular unknown file. So we have to type here another name. Let's check with the name of the file. You can just type here div.html. You can also link the HTML file as well, right? So here we just type here 2 dot.
Yes, sir.
Just type here div.html, div.html, and it will open the file of HTML. When you move on this screen and press F5 and click on here, you see there a new web page coming with that, and this coding is here. That's why I'm showing like this. Okay, so this is the image as you show here, and click here, you will get this file here. Understood? Just move on the another
Yes,
part.
sir.
That is the polygon. You can move on the again coding, and here we just type the dimension for the next point. So just type here again the same thing, area, shape, and equal to, and here just type your poly. Poly stands for polygon, right? And here we use chords, and each point we have the particular x and y axis. X and y axis. So just type here 100, just type 250. 250 is the point of x-axis, and again just type here 250 is the second point of our axis, and second point is the first point axis, x and y, right? And just type the second point axis, 250, just a little bit down. So we have to just type here value 300, 300, right? It is the x-axis, and
Sir.
also 350, just type here, and again that is the last point we have to use here. What this type here, x-axis is 400, and y-axis will be less than that, so just type here 150, right? This is the y-axis, and just close this, you will get the rectangular structure And again, just type here href, another file, and just type here first dot html. This is my another file, first dot, or just type frame dot html. You know very well, frame dot html. We have already saved this file, and just save this. And let's check the output of this file. Just move on the screen, and let's check the output. Just press F5. Just see there. Here is another rectangle coming here. Just click on this. You will get the other file, right? So in this section, we have another link. And in this section, we get the another link on this position like this. Just click on here. You will get this file. And when you click on this here, you will get another file, right? So that is the use of two types of coding we use in image mapping. I have already told about the circle, and here's another two part of your image mapping, right? It's the poly and it's the rectangle. If you have a more than three side, you have to place the more than three dimensions in the form of x and y axis for the particular shape, right? For example, if you have a pentagon, if you want to just give the pentagonal shape, you have to use 5 points x and y axis, right? And you just type here is in the same sequence as I just type here, x and y for the first point, x and y for the second point, and x and y for the third point, right? And
Okay,
so
sir.
on, so on, for the fourth point and fifth point. Understood?
Yes, sir.